Hello everyone, today I want to talk about a fantastic and unique product that is making waves in the world of dental care, Dentitox. Dentitox is a revolutionary set of tooth drops that offer a number of benefits to keep your teeth and gums healthy and clean. These drops are not only gentle on the teeth, but also contain natural ingredients that together provide a comprehensive dental care solution. One of the key components of Dentitox is xylitol. This natural sugar substitute is known for its ability to help with toothpaste sensitivity and is also an effective way to prevent tooth decay and gum disease. It is a sugar-free alternative that can be used by people with diabetes or anyone who wants to reduce their sugar intake. Another active component of Dentitox is sodium bicarbonate. Used for centuries to neutralize acidic foods and drinks, this mineral is an excellent natural abrasive cleaner that helps remove plaque and tartar from between the teeth. Dentitox also contains peppermint extract, which is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated gums and support a healthy immune system in the mouth. The combination of these ingredients creates a dental care solution that is not only gentle on teeth and gums, but also nourishes overall oral health. In addition to using Dentitox as a daily dental care, it's also a great idea to floss regularly and see your dentist for regular checkups and cleanings. This combination of proper dental care practices and the beneficial properties of Dentitox will help you keep your teeth healthy and bright for many years. Try it and experience the difference for yourself.